If you're seeing a Microsoft Edge error 502, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a few simple fixes you can try right away to get the page loading again. A 502 error usually means the website or server is having trouble responding properly, but in many cases the issue can also come from your browser, your cached data, or even a temporary connection problem. The good news is that these fixes are quick, easy, and safe to try. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should do is refresh the page. Sometimes a 502 error is only temporary, and reloading the site can immediately fix it. To do this, just click the refresh button in Microsoft Edge or press the reload shortcut on your keyboard. If the page loads after refreshing, then the issue was likely just a temporary server hiccup. If it still doesn't work, don't worry, we've got a few more steps to try. The next thing you should do is open the website in a private window. This is a really useful step because private browsing helps you test whether the issue is related to your saved cookies, cached files, or browser extensions. To open a private window in Microsoft Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner, then choose New in Private Window. Once the private window opens, type in the same website address and try loading it again. If the site works in private mode, that's a strong sign the problem is being caused by stored browser data in your normal browsing session. If the error still appears, the next step is to clear your cookies and cache. This is one of the most effective fixes for browser-related errors like this. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. That will open the Clear Browsing Data menu in Microsoft Edge. Here, make sure you select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. You can usually leave the other options alone unless you want to clear more browsing history too. Set the time range to all time. If you want the cleanest reset, then click Clear Now. Once the process is complete, close the browser completely and reopen Microsoft Edge. Then go back to the website and test it again. In many cases, clearing cookies and cache will fix the 502 error because it removes broken or outdated data that may be interfering with the site. If the page still doesn't work after that, it may be a problem with the website itself or the server on the other end, so you may need to wait a little and try again later. But in most cases, these three steps can solve the issue fast. So just to recap, first refresh the page, then try the site in a private window, and finally use Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete to clear cookies and cache in Microsoft Edge. If this helped you fix the problem, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials and easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.